Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S25 leak that's appearing online. All the signs point to a January 22nd, 2025 reveal for the Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and quite possibly the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim too. What's more, it seems as though some augmented reality glasses and the Galaxy Ring 2 will be revealed at the same event. One of the more noticeable changes from the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is the black edges around the rear camera lenses, an aesthetic choice apparently borrowed from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We can also see that the edges of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are going to be more rounded than they are on the current model. Samsung has already packed plenty of artificial intelligence features into its current phones, and the Galaxy S25 series will be no different when it comes to Galaxy AI. Think real-time translations, help with generating text, AI images with a few taps on the screen, and plenty more besides. According to Tipster Assemble Debug, says that the Samsung Galaxy S25 series will move more AI features to the local system, relying less on the cloud. That means faster responses and better privacy for users. This will apparently be made possible in part by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor from Qualcomm. Another well-known tipster has now posted a full specs list for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And while we've heard a lot of these details before in earlier rumors, it gives us more confidence that these are indeed the specs that the most expensive model in the Galaxy S25 series will offer. So, we're waiting patiently for the upcoming devices in few weeks from now. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.